This is a rotary encoder switch. The assembly breaks down into a housing, a single rotating shaft, and a fixed circuit board. The outer knob and the central shaft are one rigid part. As the shaft turns, it carries a permanent magnet with it. That magnet sits directly above the circuit board. It's diametrically polarized, so as the shaft turns, the magnetic field rotates in the same plane, and the sensor on the board tracks that orientation. A central cutout allows the magnet to pass through the board. That opening is a part of the board design. From the outside, it's just a rotating knob. Inside, that rotation is sensed magnetically.